bad experience with spilling your laptops.
Yeah, I gotta keep it on the ground.
Sure, you can like put it down here. Here's the last one. Joe, did you bounce it already?
This is like, it's like, why you walking this across town? Here's how do you compress 808 though?
It's just like a sampler, but it's got cool presets. Like this thing is also from it.
Wow, that sounds so good.
It's like pretty easy though. So pretty.
I'll send you this back when I
Did you hear about we were watching it one
like,
time
put
and
it
there was
together
one
and
kid
structure
that
it
was
all.
like
Why do you get like things like that?
Scarface. Scarface.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
Yeah, cause like, got an old fucking thing, like, where he keeps the Scarface, like, everywhere. Yeah, yeah.